everybody, welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen and today is Magic at Your Door Day. As you probably know, if you're watching this, Magic at Your Door is my Disney subscription box that I get every month. Sometimes I get an extra one depending on what kind of specials they have. I did a Halloween box last month. Next month I'll be doing an extra Christmas box. So super excited to see what's in this month's box. And if you see, Dude is our little character here, and he is dressed up for Thanksgiving. So let's see what's inside. First up, it says happy birthday. So yep, my birthday is this month. So a lovely surprise. Now make a wish and do as dreamers do, and all your wishes will come true. It's super cute, and I get a cute little dude on my certificate. So definitely going to hang that up in my art studio. So thank you, Magic at Your Door. Next up is the little flyer or newsletter. It has a color-coded so we know what prices are in here. The prices did go up this month. I just got back from Disney and noticed that the prices all went up. So that was fun, but tells you a little bit about the special. This is the limited edition Christmas box that I have coming. It says order your Christmas box before it's too late. I did do a bundle quite a while ago, probably in June, that they bundled the Christmas and the Halloween one together to save a little bit of money. So I have a promo code. If you want to save $20 on a one-time Disney box, Disney Magic box, or a one-time Disney Magical AF, which is as Fantasyland box, just use the code NOV20 when you check out. Super cool. Definitely suggest Magic at Your Door for anybody that loves Disney as much as I do. Don't always get stuff that I would, well, the thing is I don't get stuff that I would normally buy for myself, which is absolutely fun. That's probably the best part because I normally wouldn't buy this stuff for myself. When we moved away from Florida, I was feeling a little bit homesick. So that's why I signed up for Magic at Your Door. And yeah, every month has been a surprise. Some more exciting than others, but they definitely do their best to try to match what I would like. And they do let you put preferences in there. So biggest thing is that you can put unpreferences. So I can list like I don't like Stitch. I don't really like Cars merchandise, things like that. You can list that. So definitely if you sign up, do that. So this is the famous silver pouch, which I will save for last. Oh, look at that. So I recently upgraded. Yes, I did it. I upgraded my Magic at Your Door to the $124.99, I believe it is, subscription. And they have options. They have a value option and a luxury option. So I went ahead and joined the Facebook group for the luxury people, but I left my subscription as a value. And I said, you know, I'm going to pay attention to this page and I'm going to flip it if I want it, because I'm not a huge purse person because I work from home. I don't carry a lot of purses, but most of the luxury stuff are purses, jewelry, things like that. So I joined it just so I could know, hey, if that's something I want, I can flip it before the beginning of the month and get that. So I specifically told them this month, surprise me if they had a surprise bag that they weren't sharing. I think this is a Loungefly. Yeah. They had a surprise Loungefly bag that they weren't sharing. I specifically said, if the new one matches my preference, I would love that. If not, stick with the value. So, looks like it matched my preference. Oh my goodness. So this is so adorable. Super cute. I'm going to see real quick if there's anything else in the bag. There probably isn't. It's probably inside the purse. But just want to double check. Okay. I'm going to get this out of the way real quick. And then we will check out this bag. Oops, I just dumped it in my studio. Okay. So This is Snow White. Oh my goodness, is that... love the apple. Snow White. Oh, it's a backpack. Mini backpack. This is expensive. This is a $75 backpack. So, there's that. So let's take a look at the inside. So let's get a little pocket right here. There is, you can barely see it. It's probably on the inside too, but there's like the 7 Dwarfs sketch in there. That is super cute. Hopefully it's on the inside of this one too. Then we go inside. And we've got more stuff on the inside, but look at that sketch. That is super cute. It just makes me want to draw that. Just the 7 Dwarfs. Okay, so let's see what is inside the bag. Isn't that cool? So that's $75 for this cute backpack. Okay. Next up is a Mickey head balloon, $22, Mickey in the Clouds. So this actually they did post on their Facebook, and it is a cute little figurine that's intended to go in your Christmas village. And I have a Christmas village. I have a beautiful Disney Christmas village that I've had for years. I don't know if it's going up this year. We have a new house, well, a fairly new house, and I don't know exactly where to put it. I may put it in the kitchen, on the counter. We have like a island counter thingy. I may put it there. It's kind of in between the kitchen and the living room. Our living room is quite small though. That is adorable. She's just cute as ever with her little balloon. She's got her little scarf on. So, very cute. I will definitely add that to the village. I did not mean to break this. Didn't know my own strength there for a second. Next up is a $20 Loungefly wallet. And really it's not a full wallet, it's more of a card holder. But it's super cool with Maleficent on it. And this is also something I joined their Facebook group that I said I would love to see in my box. So I like the little lightning details here. So very cute. It's just an ID holder, but it's perfect. It'll fit in the purses very easily. And then all that leaves, so $22, $20, $75. So we're already up to over $100. So let's see what's inside. Oh, very nice. So it is the November Birthstone Mickey earrings. I'm not a huge fan of my birthstone. I don't like the yellow, but these are super cute. They're Swarovski crystals, and it does not have a price. So there you have it. This is my Magic at Your Door for the month of November. First time trying the upgraded luxury package. Definitely higher value purses. I'm going to probably stick with the value unless there's one specific that I know of. But super happy with the selection. I don't know if I'll use the purse, but I will add it to my collection. And maybe, yeah, maybe someday. We'll see. It's super cute though. And I do actually have a poison apple coin purse that I could use with this, so that would be nice. So there you have it. Magic at Your Door for the month of November. Thanks for watching.